Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to make cells bigger in Google Sheets. So let's start the video. First, open your Google Sheet, then select the cell or cells you want to make bigger. As you can see, there's a double-sided arrow cursor. Click and drag the cell border to make it bigger. Move your mouse to adjust the size as needed. That's all there is to it. You have learned how to make cells bigger in Google Sheets. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.